Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Tech with Rizwan Ali, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you that how we buy a Nokia mobile phone from AliExpress. So let's start our video. First of all, you have to install the AliExpress application whether on your mobile phone or on your PC. After that you have to open the AliExpress application and search here in the search box. Here's it, I'm writing here Nokia mobile phone. After adding Nokia mobile phone, you have to search for Nokia mobile phone, and you see that different samples are came in front of you. So basically I am going to open this one, this first one. So here's it. It might take few seconds. So here's it. 7 samples are available in this one. First one in front of you, Nokia 215 4G Sport 8, 100% original and new. Here is another one, low power processors, extra long battery life, FM radios, powerful torch, 2.4 inch. Here's yet Nokia, and here is a seller recommendation. So basically if we talk about the price of this one, then you see that PKR 11,360 rupees. If we talk about the original price, the original price is PKR 14,200 rupees, but after 20% off you can buy it only in PKR 11,360 rupees. Price shows before tax, shipping fee PKR 1,056 rupees. New and original Nokia 215 4G 4G mobile phone, multilingual, dual SIM 2 4-inch card, FM radio, and 1150 mAh feature mobile phone. Here is 5.0 star is also given, and 7 is already sold. So basically if it so here's it. Basically if we talk about the specifications, then you see it here. Basic information, brand name Nokia, configuration CPU model, other, display size less than or equal to 4.0, display resolution 240 into 320, touch screen no, screen material other, screen type other, rear camera quantity 1, front camera quantity none, camera real camera pixel other, front camera pixel other, power battery capacity mAh 1150, battery type detachable, wireless charging no, fast charging non sport, charging power other, hardware ports charging interface micro USB, 3.5 headphone port yes, memory card type dedicated slot, SIM card quantity 1 SIM card 2 SIM card, system operating system dumb phone OS, connectivity NFC no, other CPU MTK 676 main quad core, biometrics technology no, Wi-Fi transmission standard 802.11 and 2.4 GHz 802.11b per G 802.11a. Design bar, battery capacity less than 3000 mAh, origin mainland China, certification none, item condition none, new language English, French, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Italian, Arabic and German. So here's yet discounts and coupons PKR 2217 off, store coupon, delivery shipping PKR 1056 rupees from China with AliExpress standard shipping, estimated delivery 41 days to Pakistan, service 75 day buyer production. So basically if you have to buy this Nokia mobile phone, then you see that the buy now option at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on this buy now option for buying this Nokia mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video.